In our homes, we see several spices that are used to make food, but have we ever wondered about the essential role these spices play to protect our body and strengthening our immunity? One such widely known spice is cardamom. It is referred to as the queen of spices for its pleasant smell and taste. Cardamom is a spice with a warm and sweet, floral flavor. This herb often seasons Indian dishes and boasts a nice sum of phytonutrients. It also contains a healthy dose of manganese, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus. Cardamom benefits include the ability to fight bad breath, lower blood pressure, improve digestion, and more. Increase libido as an effective aphrodisiac. Want to last longer and stronger in bed? Try supplementing with cardamom seeds. Traditional medicine lists cardamom as a powerful aphrodisiac that can help with erectile dysfunction and impotence through better blood circulation. Lowers blood pressure. Cardamom benefits include the ability to naturally lower blood pressure. In fact, studies have shown that cardamom was able to decrease systolic and diastolic blood pressure in individuals who were newly diagnosed with primary stage 1 hypertension. Cardamom also increased the participants' total antioxidant status by 90% after 3 months. Furthermore, the study subjects experienced a feeling of well-being without any side effects. Imagine that. Prevent blood clots. Cardamom prevents dangerous blood clots by preventing platelet aggregation and then sticking to the artery walls. In the long run, this may prove to be beneficial in preventing life-threatening clotting. Improves digestion. Cardamom is often used in Chinese medicine and Ayurvedic medicine to treat digestive problems. This is why some people chew on cardamom after eating a heavy meal. You see, cardamom can relieve gastrointestinal disorders like flatulence and stomach cramps. It can also help prevent stomach ulcers caused by aspirin. Treats cancer. Research shows that cardamom benefits may include the ability to naturally treat cancer. For example, in a 2012 animal study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, researchers found that oral administration of cardamom was able to significantly reduce the occurrence and number of tumors. Thanks to its ability to inhibit, delay, and reverse cancer formation, we can conclude that cardamom boasts anti-cancer properties. Studies have also shown that cardamom can help prevent cancer by encouraging healthy immune responses in the body. Helps manage diabetes. Another chronic health condition in the US stems from high blood sugar. And yes, cardamom benefits diabetes and blood sugar levels, too. Research has shown that cardamom helps to manage diabetes symptoms, thanks to the manganese it contains. Manganese-rich foods are beneficial to a diabetic diet. Additionally, studies have shown that people with diabetes who have higher blood levels of manganese are more protected from LDL cholesterol, compared to those with lower levels of manganese.